they can look back and say, man, it was definitely worth it. If you have a manager or a coach or a trainer that's pushing you to the brink of uncomfortability, and during the process, during your day-to-day, you're saying, I friggin' hate this guy, or I hate this girl. It's just, they're relentless. They're constantly pushing me. Just equate it to having a personal trainer in the gym, right? If your personal trainer, if your fitness coach is not pushing you to the point where you hate them, they're not pushing you hard enough, because you're not paying them to make you feel good. You're paying them to help you get the results you're looking for. And the same thing goes with your management team, with any leaders in your store. If they're pushing you in a productive and a positive way, even though you can't stand them sometimes, just know that if your personal trainer in their gym isn't pushing you to the point where you hate them, they're not doing their job, they're not pushing you hard enough, and they're ultimately doing you a disservice. So for the leaders in your life that are pushing you, someday your future self will thank them for pushing you to the point of uncomfortability, even when you didn't want it, even when you felt like you didn't need it. Your paychecks will definitely be better because of it, and you're gonna look back someday when you too are a manager and a leader and say, man, I had somebody that pushed me once upon a time. I'm glad that they did. I don't feel guilty about pushing people as well, as long as at the end of the day, they can look back and say, man, it was definitely worth it. So if your trainer's not pushing you to the point where you hate them, they're not pushing you hard enough. Hey, my friend, thank you for watching. And if you want to see videos just like this one, please like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate the love and support. And don't forget, leave some comments down below. I'm looking forward to all of your interaction and feedback, and I can't wait to bring you more videos just like this one. Thanks again. I'll talk to you soon.